Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Not sure when the last time was I did one. Not seeing much in charity shops that I want to buy at the moment. But I did pick up these two items. I'm still going in charity shops, I'm just not seeing much that I want to buy. This represents about a week's worth of charity shopping. Bought that a few days back, and I bought this morning. We'll talk about this first. 13-in-1 educational solar robot. In the same shop was another kit, which I'm sure is made by exactly the same people because the parts look identical, which is a 14-in-1. So this is a 13-in-1, the other was a 14-in-1. They looked the same, they had the same pictures in them, so I don't know what the extra one is that the 14-in-1 does, but I'm pretty sure I've actually bought that kit in the past and put it together many years ago. So I thought I'd go for the 13-in-1. So that will be a series at some time. I expect we'll make all 13. Cost me £2.50. The 14-in-1 was also £2.50. I'll drop a little clip in there that I filmed in the shop comparing the two of them. And then today, I picked this up for 50p, and it caught my eye because I could see it's got two LED sensors under here. So I think this is one of those line following toys. It doesn't actually work at the moment, so no doubt we've got to change the battery. That wheel seems to be locked. That one seems to turn, so it may actually be faulty anyway. So I think it's for line following. I've got other kits of line followers I've had in the past. When I say line follower, it's literally that. They follow a line on the ground. There's a line I drew earlier, well, say earlier, several years ago. And so the two sensors, they go either side of the line, and if one of them detects the black, then it turns it, so it should go all the way around. So, yeah, I'll see if I can change the batteries in that and see if it actually runs. I think this may be a teardown job though, because I say one wheel seems absolutely jammed solid. It may just be a gearing thing, or it may be jammed solid. I do, of course, have a playlist for my line followers. So check the video description. Okay, oh, we've got no batteries in there. I can't see. It tells us what sort of battery it is. I mean, I'm guessing they're LR14s, which I have plenty of. We said LR14s, I meant LR44s, AG13. Got some really old ones here. That's when Poundland used to sell a 30 pack for £1, all different sizes. And you never used all of them, you only used the ones you wanted. Let's see if it needs 2 of these. This is what I'm guessing. LR44, AG13. Yeah, I think it'll be 4 of these. That's quite a lot. And the trouble with these is they're so old. Yeah, that one's got dust on it already. I better get a meter and see what they're like. One 1.4, 1.5. Oh, they got some voltage in them. Oh, they're terrible. Look at that. It's all dusty and corroded. Oh, they might be enough just to get it running so we can see if it works. Yeah. Yeah, they're all a little bit low, but it might be enough just to get it running. So which way round? Positive on the bottom. That's the positive. Same on both sides. Oh, that was supposed to go underneath to help you pull them out. Too late now. Both motors running. Right. Well, I didn't expect that. I'll do it up for now, loosely. Oh, yeah. Oh, brilliant. His eyes light up as well. Yeah, I designed this track so it could go over and find its way back. So if we start him off that way round. Oh, that's brilliant. Oh, I'm so pleased to have recognised what it was. I haven't done line followers for, well, it seems like years. Has it got a manufacturer's name on it anywhere? Not that I can see. There's his eyes alight. Love it. Oh, I'm really pleased with that.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.